this video, we're going to scale a PDF drawing we just brought in using the matching line method. This method is good to use if you don't have a drawing scale. So this plan does have a drawing scale, but let's say you didn't have one and you didn't know what the scale was. You could use a dimension on this plan that is referencing a line. So in this case, this line is 14 feet long. Now it would be nice if we could use this dimension line, but most of the time you can't because that line will extend past the dimension, and so it's actually longer than 14 feet. So whatever the plan says it's supposed to be, that's the line you want to choose. So that's why we'll choose this line. So basically what we'll do is we'll create 2 points that are on the x-axis that are 14 feet apart, and then we'll match this 14-foot long line to those 2 points. So that does 2 things. It's going to move the drawing to those points, and then it's going to scale the drawing to match those 2 points. So to get started, we'll go back. First, we need to draw our 2 points that are going to be 14 feet apart on the x-axis. So I'm going to click on the point list. I'm going to add a point. Alright, this first point is going to be at the coordinate 0, 0, 0. I mean, you can put it wherever you want, but I'm just doing it this way because it's simple. So I'm going to click add a point. Then I'm going to add another point. And I'm going to change the x-coordinate to 14 feet. And that'll make it exactly 14 feet to the right of that point we just made. So click here, change this to 14 feet. Click OK. Now click Add Point. Go back. We'll go to Drawings, Scale and Rotate, Matching Line. Alright, it wants us to select a line. Now, the thing we gotta watch out for is direction matters. This line is going from right to left. This one's going from left to right. So the next thing we're going to do is pick a start and end point. And we want to make sure our start point starts where that line starts, and the end point ends where the line ends, so that the start and end point are going in the same direction that the line is going. Otherwise, you'll rotate your drawing if you get the order backwards. If you do, that's okay. You can just hit this undo button and try it again. Alright, so this is the line we want to use. And we're going to click the next button. Now we need to select the start point. This is going to be that first point we made, which is on the left side, because the start of the line starts at the left side and goes to the right. So we're going to select X1. Now click Next. Now we select our endpoint. The endpoint is going to be X2. Click Next. Alright, let's see how that looks. So it gives us a chance to evaluate the result before we click this check mark to accept. You can see our X1 is right on the end of that line, and our X2 is right on the other end of the line. Alright, so we're going to click this accept button, and that should work. But let's double check another part of the plan and just see. Let's go back. Click on the job to go to the plan view. Go to Applications. Calculate. This should be 6'6", and we've got 6'6" and 1/16. So like I said, Scaling is never going to be perfect with these PDFs. Actually, sometimes it is perfect. And that says 2'8". So that's a perfect scaling. That one says 2'8". So this one scaled pretty nice. And that's it for this one.